Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling voice chat in Fortnite's audio settings. Choose your input and output devices and set mic threshold so background noise is minimized. Once done, make sure your platform, PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, allows microphone access and that privacy settings permit party chat. Then, open the social or party menu and invite teammates. Joining a party routes audio automatically. This first step makes the game accept your mic and gets you into the right channel quickly, so you can speak and hear others. You now fine-tune how voice behaves. In audio settings, balance mic volume and voice chat volume so teammates are clear but not overpowering. Use push-to-talk if you need control. Next, verify input sensitivity or mic threshold while speaking. Lower threshold picks up softer speech, higher avoids noise. Once configured, join a party and ask a friend to confirm you sound right, or use your platform's voice recorder to capture a sample. These checks prevent surprises during matches and keep communication reliable. You finish by selecting the chat mode that fits your play: open for public lobbies, party for teammates, or proximity for local voice interactions. Then confirm in the HUD that voice icons appear. If you run into problems, restart Fortnite and your device, update audio drivers or headset firmware, and check NAT and platform privacy settings. These often block chat. If problems persist, try a wired headset, swap USB ports, or use a console mic adapter. This usually fixes hardware or routing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.